Hello, my name is Dr. Tarun Nanda. I am a pediatric orthopedic surgeon and a cerebral palsy specialist. It's my pleasure to inform you and give you some information about Jupiter Cerebral Palsy Clinic. Jupiter Cerebral Palsy Clinic, which is at Jupiter Hospital at Thane, it's a very unique clinic, one of its kind. Cerebral palsy is a common problem. Almost 2 to 3 per 1,000 children suffer from cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is caused by damage to a growing brain. Most of the time, children who are preterm, who are small for gestational age, or if there is a history of a difficult delivery, these are the children who have hypoxia to the brain, and that causes them to suffer from cerebral palsy. Children with cerebral palsy develop spasticity in muscle and have difficulty in walking, eating, using their hands, and sometimes even sitting is a problem in some of the children. What we do at Jupiter CP Clinic is that we have a team of specialists. It's a multidisciplinary clinic. We have pediatric orthopedic surgeons like me, then we have physiotherapists, we have pediatric neurologists. There are people who make braces for the children, people who assess their growth and development. There are people who assess their speech. We also have something very unique, which is known as a gait analysis lab, all under one roof in one campus. This is something which makes us very unique. Children with cerebral palsy here are treated with completely state-of-the-art technology. One of the technology what we use for lengthening muscles of children with cerebral palsy is known as PMFR, which is percutaneous myofascial lengthening. This procedure, which is done under ultrasound guidance with a small needle and has no scars, it's a surgery with a shorter stay and hardly any pain, has proved to be a boon for hundreds of children with cerebral palsy from world around. This is a procedure by which the tight muscles are lengthened without causing any weakness in the muscles, and this procedure allows the child to be back on the feet as soon as possible. The therapy starts very early in this procedure and the period of immobilization is very less. So we offer this procedure to children with cerebral palsy who have muscle shortening. There are children with cerebral palsy who have spasticity. We do ultrasound guided botulinum toxin injection. Children with CP who have bony deformities or joint contractures, we are fully equipped to do modern osteotomies and tendon transfer surgery for these patients. Children who have hip problem, we have a hip surveillance program, and hip dislocations in cerebral palsy can also be treated at our center. So in short, the Jupiter CP Clinic is one-stop solution. If your child has cerebral palsy, I'm sure you'll be having a lot of questions, lot of worries, lot of queries. We are here to hold your hand. Thank you.